Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and this is LaShenny21Nails. Today's weekly stamping collab theme was chosen by Guylene from Guylene325, and these are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. At the end I'll have individual photos and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. Let's get started. As a base I'm wearing this nail polish which doesn't have a name and doesn't have a brand because I just mixed a bunch of different colors and this is what I came up with. To stamp I'll use the Ejiubas EJB-08 stamping plate. I'll stamp with a BBB Black, Born Pretty Teal, and Maniology Red. I create different designs on each nail, stamping 3 images using each of the colors. I went back and re-stamped more black over this nail. After doing a little bit of cleanup, I applied my Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat to seal in the design. I want to try applying my Wet n Wild matte top coat to see what it looks like. Since I really enjoyed the matte look, I decided to apply it on all my nails, and this is the final manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box where I'll have links to everybody's videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.